Okay, let's dive right into this explainer. If you're just starting out and looking for a totally structured, absolutely risk-free way to dip your toes into the Quotex trading platform, you are exactly where you need to be. Today we're unpacking a really straightforward 8-minute beginner's guide. Think of this as step one of the whole journey. We're going to break down the core foundational steps directly from our source material so you can get set up and start practicing without putting a single dime on the line.
Here is our roadmap for the day. First up, step 1, setting up your demo account. Then we'll run through an 8-minute initial training drill. After that, we'll look at analyzing your trade result and history. And finally, we'll wrap things up with some absolutely crucial precautions.
All right, kicking things off with step 1, the demo account.
Getting your account up and running is literally just 3 quick steps. First, open the Quotex website or their app. Second, you register with your email and a password. But hey, pay attention to step 3 because it's the absolute most crucial part. The second you log in, you must select the demo account. Honestly, don't even look at the live account yet. Choosing that demo account is your ultimate safety net right now. And here is exactly why that safety net is such a game changer. $10,000. Yep, you heard that right. When you hit that demo account option, the platform instantly hands you a massive virtual balance of 10 grand to play with. So why does having all this fake money matter so much? Well, it empowers you to practice. It gives you the freedom to click the wrong buttons, completely misread the charts, and make all those inevitable rookie mistakes without facing a single real-world consequence. It's basically a sandbox for you to figure things out.
Moving right along to part 2, the 8-minute initial training drill.
Let's break this drill down minute by minute. For the first 2 minutes, your only job is just to observe. Look at the dashboard, find the buy button, find the sell button. Just get a feel for it. Then, minutes 3 and 4, you select a really easy, straightforward asset. The source suggests the euro to US dollar, or EUR/USD. Set your chart to a 1-minute time frame. Now, as we hit minute 5, you're going to set your trade amount. Keep this at the absolute minimum, literally just $1 of your virtual funds. Once that's set, look at the trend. Is it climbing or is it dropping? The mechanics here are super simple. If you see the price trend generally going up, get ready to hit that buy or up button. Conversely, if it's tanking, you're going to use the sell or down button. Make sure you visually connect those specific terms with the direction the market is moving before you do anything else. Okay, back to the clock. Minute 6. This is execution time. Select a 1-minute expiry and confidently lock in that demo trade based on whatever trend you just saw. Then, minute 7. You just wait. Sit back, watch the chart move, and see how the trade finishes up. Finally, minute 8. Head straight over to check your trade history. Which brings us to part 3, trade result and history. Because let's be real, clicking the button is easy, but analyzing what happens after is where the actual learning kicks in. So the crucial point here is the reality check. You have to go in and see if your prediction was right or wrong. By combing through your trade history, you start to actually understand your mistakes. Was the trend shifting on you? Now, the source text is incredibly strict on this next rule. You have to complete a minimum of 50 demo trades, not 5, 50. Do this before you even think about depositing a single real dollar. Think of those 50 reps as mandatory muscle memory training to get used to the rhythm of the market.
And that perfectly tees up part 4, important precautions.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the brutal truth of it. 1-minute trading? It is inherently dangerous. Things move at lightning speed, and beginners almost always lose their money fast if they jump in blind. That is exactly why the mandate from the source is so clear. You absolutely must see consistent, solid results on that demo account first. Notice I said consistent, not just a lucky streak, but actual consistency.
And hey, if you do eventually make the jump to real trading, this is your golden rule. 1 to 3%. Never, under any circumstances, risk more than 1 to 3% of your total account balance on a single trade. If you've got $100 in there, your trades are $1 to $3 max. I can't stress this enough. This kind of strict risk management is literally the only thing that keeps traders afloat in such a volatile space.
So we've covered the basics of setting up your safety net, how to run your very first practice session, and the non-negotiable rules for protecting yourself. Taking it step by step really is the only way to go. Which leaves us with a pretty provocative question straight from today's source. Once you've mastered this interface and locked in your risk management, are you ready to learn the Quotex 1-minute strategy step by step? Keep getting those practice reps in, and I will catch you in the next explainer.